slight variance on the dark green batch.
Noted. The robots are compensating automatically.
The automated shredders are calibrated to cut these fibers into fine, needle-shaped strands, mimicking.
Through the application of precise blue and violet UV radiation, the tensile strength of the fibers is significant.
Thickness is consistent. We are good to continue the run.
All right, logging the data now.
We have achieved full stabilization. The fibers look good.
Confirmed. Ready for transfer to the next stage. The gauge reads within tolerance.
Flexibility is good too. Make a note of the batch number.
The depth looks consistent on this sample.
Good. Increasing the pressure by 5 psi for the next run.
We need to adjust the tension on Unit 4. Agreed, the distribution is slightly off on this batch. At 3,000 psi, the flexion angle remains stable.
Noted. The fiber retention on this sample exceeds expectations.
All branches are meticulously sorted by size and type, ensuring optimal inventory management across the facility.
Ding.
Check the insulation levels on spool gamma 12.
Levels are stable. Conductivity is optimal.
Look at the fluctuation on the red channel. We are exceeding the baseline voltage by 20%.
We've got full green across the tertiary branches.
Ramping up the line speed slightly, monitoring for drops.
Let's reduce the particle size slightly on zone 3.
We must maintain that subtle shimmer.
The density on the lower left is still slightly off the baseline.
Yes, I see the variance on the overlay. Let's adjust fibers here.
Look at the spike on the z-axis right here.
That correlates exactly with the branch movement threshold.
Check the response time on Unit 7 during the blink test.
It's within tolerance, but let's rerun the warm white cycle.
Look at the fluctuation here on the blue line.
It's within tolerance, but the thermal scan shows a spike right here.
The deflection at 500 grams is 4.2 millimeters.
Recording that now. The recovery rate seems stable.
We need to cluster the red bubbles slightly higher on this section. Let's move this ribbon coil over to the left for better balance.
There is a critical fault developing at the main trunk joint.
I see it. The resonance frequency is unstable. We have to recalibrate the dampeners.
The shift to retail lighting reveals a slight gap here.
Yes, the color depth is inconsistent on the lower branches as well.
Each approved tree receives an RFID tag, allowing technicians to confirm specifications like height and safety rating.
Vacuum compression is holding steady.
The graphs show the branches are undamaged. We can proceed to the next phase.
Sensors verify the glue adhesion as the flat sheets are rapidly transformed into durable containers, ready for the next stage.
The robotic lifters gently place the trees, showcasing the elegant precision of our automated assembly line.
Humidity levels holding steady at 80%.
Confirmed. The new cooling vents are stabilizing the temperature nicely.
The flow rate on turntable 3 is optimized.
Confirmed. The next batch is clear for shipping.
Customs forms secured on this one, ready for palletizing.
Confirmed. Next batch ready for Tokyo.
See you guys later. Drive safe. See this watermark here.
Yeah, moisture levels are slightly elevated on this batch. Let's check the rigidity.
Clear the bay. The next truck is ready.
Bringing the ramp over now.
The 4K detail on this setup is excellent, but the sensor here shows a slight drop in appeal.
I agree. Let's shift
The software suggests moving the silver cluster higher.
Let's try that. It might catch the LEDs better.
The diffusion on this center tree is excellent, very even. Agreed. The warmth setting here perfectly mimics a 2700K incandescent.
All right, move it to the end cap near the aisle. I want to see how the natural light hits it there.
Look at this one, it's beautiful. I love the multicolor option.
It's so full, and the lights are perfect.
All right, order confirmation for the Austrian pine.
Yes, that's the one.
Okay. Perfect, we'll load this right up for you.
Here's your receipt. The warranty information is inside the box. Happy holidays!
Thank you. It's absolutely beautiful.
Route 4 confirmed. All boxes scanned.
All right, let's get this moving. The first neighborhood is waiting.
Absolutely perfect this year.
I think it's the best one we've ever had.
I love the twinkling lights.